Hello and welcome to your daily dose of complete health with your local chiropractor, Dr. Patrick Hogg. Please like and subscribe for more videos.
Good morning, this is your daily dose of complete health with your local chiropractor, Patrick Hogg. I've got a question. What one thing could you change today that could significantly change your health? There's almost always something that one of us is doing that could be changed. Be that maybe you're a smoker, maybe you sit at work all day, maybe you have a bit of a thing for sweet treats like ice cream, chocolate bars, whatever. But what one thing could you do, or how could you modify your life to change that one thing out and potentially make yourself a significantly healthier person today? Now, I can tell you one of my favorite treats has always been ice cream. Growing up, my dad was a smoker and he gave up gave up smoking, and as a result, he took up eating ice cream after dinner rather than going for a cigarette. And that was his habit. And as a result, he replaced one bad habit, ironically, with something that was another bad habit. Okay, maybe a significantly less bad habit. However, it was replacing a bad habit with another bad habit. However, could you do the same thing, but actually rather than replacing it with a bad habit, potentially replace it with a good one? So say, for example, maybe you are an ice cream eater, which is fine, but could you replace it with something like making your own fresh fruit sorbet, or taking something like frozen bananas and sticking them in the blender and actually making yourself frozen banana ice cream, as opposed to getting the really high sugar content? Maybe you sit in your work or in your office all day for your job. Could you change that to make it significantly healthier? And this is the thing, what one thing could you change? What one thing, if you did it today and you changed it, would make you a healthier person than what you were yesterday? And one thing that is key, was always key with any changes in gaining good health, is actually consistently changing the result. So it's no good going from being a sitter or work all day and getting up and getting out of the chair one day, because it's that one day is not going to make a difference for the rest of your life. It's finding something that you can consistently change, minimum of a few days a week, that would actually significantly change things. So here's some food for thought. Patrick, Complete Health, it's your daily dose. Go find that one thing you can change.